If you're a new or small YouTube channel and you want to grow really fast, get to 1,000 subscribers and beyond, and monetize your channel, I suggest a 21-day jumpstart to revive your channel, to rev up the engine, get the juices flowing in your channel so that you can have the algorithm love you and grow quickly. I suggest watching this video first to get some context before jumping into this video. Hi everyone, Alexandra here, and I support entrepreneurs, creators, YouTubers who want to grow their visibility and get monetized quickly. And I monetize a completely new channel in a completely new industry, and I want you to do it as well. Whether you're completely brand new or you've had a channel for a decade or longer and you're either not growing or you're not monetized yet. So if you followed my suggestion of putting out 3 weeks a minimum of content in your channel, then let's take a look at your analytics and see what's working and what isn't working. Let's dial it up all the way so that you can grow quickly with your channel. But before we do that, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more news and strategies to grow your visibility and monetize your brand. So keep in mind that there are 2 ways to monetize your channel. One is based on 10 million YouTube shorts over 90 days or 4,000 watch hours over 365 days. So here I'm showing the back end of my true crime channel, the channel that I grew to over 1,000 subscribers and monetized it in less than a year. This was a completely new industry for me. So I really had to figure it out. I had to learn from scratch what was working and what wasn't working. So let's assume that you've been putting out content for at least 21 days. Actually, you know what? That's exactly what I'm going to do. So the default on YouTube, when you look at your analytics, is the last 28 days. But let's just say that you've been thorough in putting out content and you've been doing it over the last 21 days. So I'm going to go ahead and say, let's put it 21 days, apply that. And so what you're going to want to do is on YouTube, the defaults are views. So that's the number of views that you get for your videos, the watch time in hours, and the subscribers. So what you could do is first, let's look at the views. And if I take a look at the content that I've been putting out there, it just so happens that the #1 video for me, and it's been this for a while, a video that I posted in June, gets me the most views, the most watch time, and the most subscribers. Now, because this is a short, watch time doesn't matter for me for purposes of getting monetized. So I'm going to put that aside. But the next one is this one here, Friday the 13th, that got me 2,800 views. And again, watch time doesn't matter because it's a short, and it got me 7 subscribers. So you can put this based on your number of views. And because this channel is mostly shorts, most of my videos that have the most views are going to be shorts, okay? But at the time when I was creating a plan to get this channel monetized, I didn't have the views that I needed. I didn't have a lot of videos, a lot of shorts that were getting tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of views each to get that 10 million views in the shorts feed. And so I had to opt for a strategy that helped increase my watch hours on my long form videos. So let's take a look at my watch hours. So I'm going to change this up to look at which videos are getting the most watch hours. Now, keep in mind, once again, that watch hours on shorts do not count. So this video right here does not count, my top video. But then I look, okay, updated timeline. This is a case that I was working on. Another one, updated timeline. Of another one. So as I look and I see what's getting the most watch hours just in the last 21 days, I see that there's a specific case that I'm working on that is getting the most watch hours. So if I really wanted to increase my watch hours to help get my channel monetized quicker, I would create more content in this particular case, which is one of the things that I actually did. Another, let's continue to scroll down. And so, yeah, actually, some of pretty much the top out of the top 5 or 6 videos, 80% of them are from this one case. So, continuing to look down, what's working. And so you can take a look at what is getting the most watch hours for your videos. Now, the other thing to consider is, remember, you also need the subscribers. You need to get to the 1,000 subscribers. So you can also take a look at which of your videos are getting the most subscribers. And for example, even if you decide that your plan to get monetized is going to be through watch hours, keep in mind that the YouTube Shorts may still be a great way to widen your audience and get that reach so that you can get more subscribers. So if I just filtered this by subscribers from the last 21 days, and the videos that have gotten me the most subscribers are actually, interestingly, the top 2 are older videos, and the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 videos that I've made are all shorts. So I've actually gotten the most subscribers from my shorts. And so you can still use shorts as a great tool to increase your subscribers, even if your plan for getting monetized is going to be by increasing your watch hours on your long form videos. So if you'd like an expert to help you come up with a customized plan for your channel, walk through your analytics, even teach you what we just did right now and create a customized plan for your channel so you can get to 1,000 subscribers and monetize your channel, I have a special promo for anyone watching this video, and I'm going to make sure to put the link in the description. It's alexanderfigueredo.com/YouTube. And I hope that this helped. Let me know in the comments what was your biggest takeaway. If you like this, if you learned something, please hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel so that you get the latest strategies and news to help you grow your visibility and monetize your brand. And remember, now is your time to be boldly seen and heard. All right, everyone. Bye for now. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.